with WTI. And if you have rabbits at home that you want to litter train and have a really nice place for them to be able to eat, then you need to check out this litter box and hay feeding with feed station from LUCKYBOPAN. I have two pretty large rabbits and they like this one corner of their hutch to use the bathroom. All I did was place the litter box in that corner and then they instantly started to use it. My rabbits are on the larger side. They're pushing like 7 or 8 pounds. Both of them can fit inside the litter box, but comfortably one at a time. Because of the setup in my hutch, I chose to keep the feeding station separate, but you can attach it. And I really like the inset of the bowls on these and the height. It's really easy for them to get to the food. And because they're inset, they can't get to the bowls and like throw them around the cage and get water and food everywhere. Now, rabbits love to chew, so they're going to chew on everything that you put in their cage, including this box, but you can see that the damage is minimal and it still works perfectly. I think this is a great litter box feeding combo and that you should check it out if you have rabbits, and that's my point of view.